Now we're sizing the overcurrent protection device and the conductors supplying the power to the AC unit based on the information that we just previously reviewed. We will pick up now in step 1, sizing the overcurrent protection device, the left-hand side of the boxed-in information. We're calculating the size of the overcurrent protection device in accordance with 440.22a. So we take 19 amps compressor current times 175% for minimum, and we would add that to 2.5 amp compressor motor, and we come up with 35.75. Now, step 2, we select the overcurrent protection device in accordance with table 240.4G, and we would pick up table 240.6A. Now, remember, 240.4G, we're sizing the overcurrent device at 175%, not 125%, so that's why we see if the air conditioner falls within the table. 240.6A, we're just selecting the overcurrent protection device based upon 35.75. So we can't go forward. There's no exception to let you round up, so we're rounding down and we select 35 amps. So the minimum size would be 35 amps. Now, sizing the overcurrent protection device maximum, where we had nuisance tripping, 440.22a calls for 225%, times 19 plus 2.5, 45.25. We was again using step 2, 240.4G and 240.6a, and we'd round down to a 45 amp overcurrent protected device. Now notice this is starting with a minimum, going to a maximum, but you can always size the overcurrent device below the 175% as well as the 225%. Now in this particular drawing, an illustration, we're simply sizing the rating and setting for an individual motor compressor in accordance with 440.22a. In a later illustration, we will size the conductors.